Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up your own portrait as a watch face on Apple Watch 8. So let's do it. So here is my iPhone 14 Pro Max and my Apple Watch 8, and to set up my own portrait as a watch face, first you need to go to Apple Watch app. Here there is, and now go to Face Gallery. And here where you see new watch faces, go to the right and we have here portraits. And now let's read the description. This face highlights the people, pets and other subjects of your photo each time you raise your wrist. You can choose from 3 different styles for the time, and you can also choose whether to layer the time in front of or behind the subject. And now you can choose up to 24 photos. I will choose just one because I have just this photo, and then just press add. And here is how it looks, my watch face now. I don't know why the time appears in the front of my portrait, and how to do to appear behind. And also you can change the color. This is how it looks with red. Okay, and if you use this color, my photo looks like an old one. Okay, and now you can choose also your own font, and this is classic, modern or rounded. Okay, I will choose modern. And here we have complications. In the top now appears the date, but you can turn it off. I will let the date on, and in the bottom now it's turned off, but you can choose also activity, alarm, moon phase, from calendar, compass and other things. I will not choose any complication in the bottom. Okay, and I will choose this style, and then just press add. Okay, and now let's see how it looks on my watch. And this is my own portrait on my Apple Watch 8, and as I told you, it looks like an old photo and I like it. I don't know how to put the watch behind the portrait, but maybe we'll find out in the future. So this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.